Hello everyone, and welcome to IQ English Podcast. And I'm Mary. Today, I will tell you a simple, warm story. It is about a girl on a farm. Her name is Mary. And yes, that's me. Stay with me until the end. We will learn new words, repeat useful sentences, and play a small quiz. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up very early. The sky is blue and quiet. I hear a rooster. I smile. It is a new day. I open the window. The air is fresh. The grass is wet. The farm is peaceful. Now it's practice time. New words. Fresh means clean air, nice to breathe. Peaceful means quiet and calm. Repeat after me. The air is fresh. The farm is peaceful. I wash my face. I put on my boots. I take a small bucket. It is time to feed the animals. I walk to the chicken house. Good morning, chickens, I say. They cluck and move around my feet. I give them food. They are happy. I open the nest boxes. I collect eggs. 1, 2, 3. Wow! There's 10 eggs today. Again, practice new words. Nest means a home for eggs. Collect means take and bring together. Repeat after me. I collect eggs. "10 eggs today." I put the eggs in the basket. I carry them carefully. I feel proud. Now, I go to the barn. My father is milking the cow. The cow is big and gentle. I touch a cow on the head. Good morning, Daisy, I say. She looks at me with big brown eyes. The warm milk goes into a clean bucket. Listen to new words. Barn means a big building for animals. Gentle means kind and soft. Repeat after me. The cow is gentle. We are in the barn. I help my father. We carry the milk together. It smells sweet and warm. We go back to the house. My mother is in the kitchen. The table is ready. We sit together. We eat bread and butter. We have cheese and fresh milk. We talk about our day. We laugh. It feels safe. It feels cozy. Listen to new words. Cozy means warm, comfortable, friendly. Safe means protected and okay. Repeat after me. My home feels cozy. I feel safe with my family. Later, we go to the village market. We take eggs, milk, and vegetables. I hold the basket. My brother walks next to me. The market is small but busy. People talk. People laugh. People buy and sell. An old woman smiles at me. Hello, Mary, she says. These eggs are very fresh, thank you, I say. She buys a dozen eggs. I see colorful fruits and bright flowers. I want candy. But my mother says, maybe later. I laugh. Now listen to new word of this part. Market means a place to buy and sell. A dozen means 12. Repeat after me. We go to the market. A dozen eggs. After the market, we return home. The sun is warm. I water the garden. The plants are green and happy. My brother and I play in the shade. We sit under a big tree. We tell small jokes. We draw in the sand. Suddenly, the wind changes. Dark clouds fill the sky. A storm is coming. The wind is strong. The trees move. The animals are afraid. Oh no! Some sheep run out of the fence. They are scared. They run fast. I call to them. Come back, sheep, come back. I run. My father runs. My brother runs. We work together. We are a team. We bring the sheep back to the yard. We close the gate. We are wet, but we are safe. The rain stops. The sun returns. A rainbow paints the sky. Blue, green, yellow, red. It is beautiful. Repeat the new words. Storm means heavy wind and rain. Fence means a wall around the yard. Yard means open space near the house. Repeat after me. There is a storm. Close the gate. We are safe. Evening comes. The sky is orange and gold. We wash our hands. We sit for dinner. We eat soup and warm bread. We share stories from the day. My father smiles at me. Thank you for your help, he says. I feel tired. But I feel proud. Today was not easy. But it was good. After dinner, I go outside. The stars are bright. The farm is quiet again. I look at the animals. I whisper, good night. Good night, chickens. Good night, cows. Good night, sheep. I go to my room. I write a few words in my small diary. Today I helped. Today I learned. Today I am grateful. Now listen to new words. Diary means a small book for your day. Grateful means thankful, happy for what you have. Repeat after me. I am grateful. Now, let's practice some easy sentences. I wake up early. I feed the chickens. I collect eggs. I help my family. There is a storm. There is a rainbow. There are 10 eggs. There are many people at the market. I like fresh milk. I like warm bread. I don't like strong wind. I like quiet evenings. Now, you speak. I will ask you answer. Question 1. What do you do in the morning? Question 2. Where do you go with your family? Question 3. How do you feel at dinner time? Now it's time for a quiz. Listen and choose the best picture in your mind. I carry a basket with eggs. Do you see chickens or a cow? The wind is strong. The sky is dark. What is this? The evening is quiet. The stars are bright. Where am I? Great listening. Today, we visited a small farm. We woke up early. We fed chickens. We collected eggs. We milked cows. We went to the market. A storm came. We worked together. We felt proud. In the evening, we were cozy and safe. Repeat after me. We worked together. We felt proud. Now it's your turn to write a comment with 2 short sentences. Number 1. What is your favorite part of Mary's Day? Number 2. Do you want to visit a farm? Why? I will read your comments. I am excited to see your answers. Thank you for listening to IQ English Podcast. If you enjoyed this story lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. Remember, small steps every day. Listen. Repeat. Practice, you can do it. See you next time. Goodbye.